Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. I hope you're staying safe out there. You're washing your hands, you're drinking water, you're staying away from crowds, you're practicing your rudiments, you're hitting the like button, all of that. Thank you so much for all the likes, the comments, the subscriptions. If you would like to join the Player Nation, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Let's get on with the video. So in this video we are going to do 3 drum licks that you can do in your praises that makes it sound a little bit better, because praises is so long that sometimes it might start to sound monotonous, but you break this out in the middle somewhere, sprinkle of extra something on it, if you catch my meaning. So let's start from number 3. Number 3 is a snare drum pattern that you can play to punctuate your praises. And I think we'll be hearing a lot of that word, punctuate, just to play it and move along. So let's listen to what it sounds like. So as you can see, it's made up of 4 notes that you can play on the snare drum and just crash and go on with your playing. But you can also create a couple of variations of this by spreading it around on other drums. You can play it on the toms, you can play it on the hi-hat. So first let's look at what it would be like when you play it on the hi-hat. Okay, so now let's look at it when it is played on the toms. You see, it sounds a little bit different. Yeah, it is a little bit different, but it's the same thing you've been playing all this while. So use it, apply it to your music, and I hope you have a good praises session. Number 2 is you play 2 simultaneous notes between the snare drum and the crash. So snare and crash at the same time, then you do that twice. So snare crash, and you're done. So this is what it sounds like. And that is pretty much it. There's nothing extra difficult about this, but when you put it in music, it sounds good. I'm sure you've probably heard that in some song, some track somewhere, and it sounds good if you do it right, and also if you don't overdo it. Okay, let's move on to number 1. This video is sponsored by the Drum Chops Builder app. If you would like to save your drum fills, now that we probably don't have drums around as much as we used to because of restrictions and stuff, you would want to save your drum fills onto your phone and practice them later. You can download the Drum Chops Builder app. I created it myself. The link is in the description down below. Check it out. It's really amazing. It will help you with a lot of your drum stuff. So number one is actually a cross stick pattern. By cross stick pattern, I mean you would play it in a cross stick groove. So here's an example of a cross stick groove. So in the cross stick groove, then you would play something like this. And if you don't get it immediately, you can always just slow down the video and I'm sure you would get it. It's not too difficult to understand. So try it out and let me see. As a bonus tip, you can leave a space by hitting the hi-hat to also punctuate your playing. Leave a little bit of space like tss, and give it a little bit more groovy feel. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you use the links in some praises session. I hope it helps you out some way. Stay safe out there. Thank you so much again for all the support, the likes, the comments on this praises drum series. And yeah, hopefully I'll come again with another video, God willing. Stay safe out there. God be with you. Random solo section coming up. Check it out. Peace.